Welcome to Food Routes. Today we're preparing a traditional street food, original Tunisia Brik Alla Habiba, for you. Stay tuned until the end for this delicious treat. We need tuna. Delicious. Turmeric, parsley, onions, and egg. No, we're not throwing that. Haha. Okay, let the game begin.
Wow. Yes.
We'll fold the dough into a square, grind some pepper, and now we'll fill the dough with a filling of tuna, onions, and finely chopped parsley. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? Now comes the highlight, an egg yolk in the middle. Superb, superb. Fold and seal it like a pro onto a plate and into the hot oil for frying. Look at that egg yolk, that's how it should be.
Sieht es gut aus?
Schweinig. Auch mit Kuss hier. Und natürlich UVC-Band.
Nicely soft cooked with a creamy malt. Wow, delicious, so crispy, so damn good. That's it for today. Please subscribe to this channel and take care.